Understanding the impact of resisting diversity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and timely topic: resisting diversity. This phrase is increasingly relevant in today's global conversations, and understanding it can help us navigate complex social dynamics. We'll break down what it means, its implications, and why it matters to all of us. So, let's get started. Resisting diversity refers to actions or attitudes that oppose or reject the inclusion of different types of people within a community, organization, or society. This resistance can be based on various factors such as race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, religion, age, or disability. It's important to recognize that diversity isn't just about how people look. It's also about their experiences, perspectives, and talents. In this section, we'll explore examples of resisting diversity, like exclusionary practices in the workplace, stereotyping in media, or social segregation in communities. Understanding these examples will help us see the real-world impact of resisting diversity. Resisting diversity is problematic for several reasons. Firstly, it limits opportunities for individuals who are excluded, affecting their professional, social, and personal development. Secondly, it diminishes the richness of cultural and intellectual exchange in society, leading to a more homogeneous and less innovative environment. Lastly, resisting diversity can contribute to social tension and conflict, as it fosters an us versus them mentality. We'll discuss how embracing diversity, on the other hand, can lead to more creative solutions, better decision-making, and a more inclusive and harmonious society. Highlighting these points will help us understand the value of diversity and the dangers of resisting it. Overcoming resistance to diversity requires both individual and collective effort. It starts with self-awareness and education, recognizing our own biases, and learning about cultures and experiences different from our own. In this section, we'll offer tips on how to become more open and accepting of diversity, including actively seeking diverse perspectives, engaging in meaningful conversations, and supporting inclusive policies and practices. We'll also highlight the role of education, media, and leadership in promoting diversity and the ways in which each of us can contribute to a more inclusive world. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and implications of resisting diversity. We hope this video has shed light on why diversity is crucial for a vibrant, innovative, and inclusive society. By understanding and overcoming the barriers to diversity, we can all contribute to a world that values and benefits from the rich tapestry of human experience and perspectives. Remember, embracing diversity starts with us. Let's make a difference together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.